We're here again. We made it to Vegas.
I found someone that makes miniatures. And they like Maple Story. I'm already following them. Perfect.
I think we're looking for Instagram shots.
Oh, these are all names. Let's see if Tim's name is here.
Nope.
Powerful.
Nope.
Is there a Tim?
There is a Tim.
There's always a Tim.
They took his name.
My name's there. Someone figure it out quick.
Nope.
It's Brandon.
Brandon.
Wrong, it's David.
David.
I thought that was
kidding.
Matt.
It's Jamie.
It's Jamie. Jamie Bergability.
Just kidding, Dylan.
Oh, look. I found one. It's in your color.
It's not spelled right.
Yeah,
Close
no, it
enough.
doesn't matter. Close enough.
No, I would take this one over it.
You'd rather take Christy over the misspelling of Kristen?
Yes. There's the actual spelling of the
You-
colors.
Look at those colors.
Wait. I saw a not ugly color. I
Oh
thought.
no, there's a rainbow one back here. Right there.
There it is. Oh, it's cute actually. Too bad I don't use my name ever.
Yeah, Karen.
Karen.
She
I actually wished my name was Karen when I was
She
a
doesn't
kid.
Karen. She don't Karen the Kirsten keychain.
I had a whole joke lined up, and you weren't anywhere, and I was carrying this thing around, looking for you. This lady's like, "Can I help you?" She's like, "Oh, do you want that?" I was like, "Oh, I just wanted to show it to my boyfriend." She's like, "Oh, it's really good. It's a popular thing." I was like, "Yeah." She's like, "Where's your boyfriend?" I'm like, "I don't know. I'm trying to find him." She's like, "What does he look like? Is he tall?" I was like, "No, he's short." She's like, "Let's go find him." And she was like walking around with me looking for you. And you weren't even in the store.
Yeah, I was resting.
And getting B-roll.
Yeah.
It's like you, there's no one in front of you, and then just like this people.
Tin was just freeing his people from exile. You're crying.
That's really good. But I don't think it's because of me though.
I know, it's just funny because there's nobody on the escalator for that. And you're just like, where's Tin? And I'm like, oh, there he is. And then
All of a sudden there's somebody.
walking the line.
And Tin's just like,
I had no idea.
that's funny.
That's funny.
Out there, let's go to. Oh my god! This is nonsense.
your first craps?
I went broke. I'm just kidding. I won like $100.
Tin, how was our run?
Very good. I'm very proud of you for doubling up our money.
Oh, thanks. I mean, Tin told me exactly what I needed to do. I just
Yeah,
pushed the button.
You pushed the button.
It was like one of those like ones where you push it and the dice pop, so.
Yeah, we did really good as a team. We
Yeah.
doubled up.
We all pretty much doubled up. Cool. So, Sorrel,
Yeah.
how was your first craps experience?
Lucrative.
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 What does that mean?
I got money.
He got money.
I got the Benjamin.
I got money. Bird got money.
Everybody gets
Everybody gets money.
money. It's a free pink money.
It's a free pink money. Hey, Tin.
Hey,
How you doing, boy?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. You already asked me that.
Oh, okay. Okay. Where are we?
You're at the Linq.
The Linq.
Yeah, where there's the high roller right there.
I like that one.
It's really fun.
And there's Fountain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you like a great view of Vegas, definitely go to the high
Especially at night.
roller at night.
At night, it's real nice.
I didn't know American Airlines had a beer and cocktails bar. No. Playing for a jackpot, 8,888. Kurie's gonna go ahead and play.
You got it.
She got it. Cool.
9999, let's go.
Kurie's playing the change game. She's doing a good job. We're at one more. Go, 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 go. Did we get it? Did we get it? No. Yeah, Kuriie in one singular try.
I've done it. I finally won the change game.
And that's change game. All right, we're gonna play some Skeeball. Roll 550 or higher and win a minion. Okay. All right, I'll let you try first.
Oh, that's a good noise.
All right, here we go. Whoa! Whoa!
Too
Whoa!
hard.
Whoa. Ah. Ah, ooh!
I just gotta angle it.
Yeah, it's okay. Take your time. Oh.
I used to be able to get it.
I think you're just like rapid firing. Whoa. Close. Whoa.
Don't worry, that was all part of the plan.
All part of the plan. Oh, 20.
Well, it's not 550, but...
Close. All right, my turn?
Yeah. I want to learn what I used to know as a kid. And just like muscle memory it. It sang a song for you. You have to win.
Same song.
Oh,
I'm trying to just get a good straight.
yeah. Oh, almost to the 100.
Close. Not close.
Oh, close.
Oh. Oh. Too hard. You know, I noticed there's a little bumper in there too.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have bumpers. Do we want to try these ones? But that one's off.
Oh.
Yeah, let's try these ones. Hello. Bumper
let's try
on
this one.
Yeah.
Want to try?
Alright, I'll give it a go.
Oh, Kuriie. Oh, close.
That was not the plan.
I think you're going too much to the left. I think it needs to be more
What I
gradual.
used to do is hit it and it would hit and bounce and go straight. I'll take that.
That's better. You need to shoot harder.
I was trying, but I didn't want it to bounce off.
Oh, there you go. Oh.
Alright, I got a groove though, so I did better that time, sort of. The last few. Alright, tenors up. Oh, nice. Nice. Are you spinning it?
Now no spin. Let me try 50s. Oh, never mind. I'm going for 100. Oh,
40, that's not bad. You already beat my score. 6th ball. 7th ball. Ooh, close. Oh, double bounce.
not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
All right, your turn.
Yeah. I was hoping we could play again.
Yeah, of course.
Skeeball extraordinaire. You gotta practice to win.
Yeah, you gotta practice to win.
Alright, straight. So.
Oh, close. Oh, all right. Just need a smidge more. Whoa.
That was too much. That wasn't a
You let it fly.
No. I felt like that one had a lot, but
Well, that second to last one, you didn't let it like
Yeah,
roll. You just like flew it.
and that's what. And then the one after that, I tried rolling too much, and it didn't. It ran out of momentum.
Whoa!
It's bad that I kind of like when it does that because I get the ball back.
Sure, it's not bad. You get extra turns. Oh, close. Oh. So actually, you were like right here when you were, yeah.
Okay.
So like,
Yeah.
you're actually like, when it launches, it's like right here.
Interesting.
When you're so close to the 100.
All right, good to know. Because it must like swoop out a little.
Yeah.
All right, tins up.
Oh, that's too much power. Oh! So what I'm doing is I'm not even looking at the hole. I'm looking at the ramp.
Okay.
Oh, that's not good.
Close.
Oh. Oh, too hard.
Oh.
Not good.
All right.
Your turn.
Next round. I'm gonna take off my.
She's gonna take her sweater off. Getting there. Oh,
Oh.
yeah. You let it flew.
Yeah. It's hard finding that right spot.
Oh, close. Oh, you got robbed.
Okay.
Oh, I really want you to get at least one. Oh, yeah!
I mean, it's only 200 points.
That's fine.
but
That's
at least
really
I
good.
just wanted to get 100.
That's so freaking good.
Since I've done that. I let it roll off my palm.
Oh, interesting.
Whoop.